Hey guys, Brett Jones, Jones Sport Fishing. Hey, we're out here on the river today. But anyways, just want to go over a very safe practice on how to weigh fish when you want to release fish. So we got a nice brown here. We haven't weighed him, so you're going to find that out with us. But anyways, he's in the water, down there just resting for a minute. That's when we get the scale out. We get the scale turned on. We make sure the scale is zeroed. And the safe practice of doing this is we just take the scale, we hook it on the loop, on the hoop here, and then we come across to the other side of the hoop, we hook it onto there, and then we lift the net and pull it up. So this fish is 7 pounds.
So why do we hook it on the net like that?
We hook it on there so we're not actually putting the fish vertically on his gill plate and pulling on him or anything like that that's going to damage the fish. Because it is catch and release down here right now, or if you want to catch and release fish, handling techniques need to be done properly. And if you want to get a good weigh on that fish without killing that fish or damaging the fish, we need to weigh them in the net. Now the hoop does not weigh much. I mean, we could say this fish was 6.9 if you want to. But that's a pretty accurate way of weighing a fish and be able to make sure the fish stays in
Look at this big, beautiful brown,
good
folks.
condition.
Here he goes. See you later.
Thanks, guys.